Guys, it's me, Amelia. Welcome back to my channel. And so, I actually, in my other video, the harmonica one, I showed my fidgets too. But right now, I actually got more fidgets, and I'm really happy about that. Here's a fidget box from the old one, and here's a new one. Came in these. You just move it around. I really like it and stuff like that. So yeah. Maybe I can make a new channel called Fidget Toys Shower. I don't know. So I have like some squishies and stuff like that. I just got them, and I have a lot of monkey noses, that you can say, and I have a lot of stuff now. I'm gonna put all my cubes and stuff like that. These, I don't know what they are. They're like slime thingies that you like touch. I think, yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, now here it is going to be all my cubes and stuff like that. Oh yeah. So I'm just making like a line of it. That's what I'm literally doing right now. I got bigger spiky balls too. Now this I know what it's called. It's called like thingy. And I also had this. It's a fidget toy cube. It's called a fidget cube. And I think these are like Orbeez, I think. Yeah, you lay them inside and they grow, I think. Neat. I don't know. My bike chains. Puzzle thingies, whatever they are. Okay, wait. Okay. Yeah, this. My Rubik's Cubes. Biggest to least. Okay. Okay, there we go. All my cubes. Okay, there we go. Putting all my cubes in. That's all my cubes. I have a lot, actually. All my spiky balls. I have a lot of tiny more, too. I didn't really look at the color. Oh, there's pink in here. Okay, there you go. All my spiky balls. So cool. I'll show you all of it. Like, oh. My phone, that camera, my phone is on charge. Oh my god, my charge is very long, but. Okay, so I have these water timers. One is bigger, one is a little smaller. Exact same. And I have like the snake. And I have a wacky track, a small wacky track. And I have a very, very, very long wacky track. Look. Look at it. Oh god, I almost had to hit myself. So let's circle that up again. Okay, let's circle you up. There you go, stay there. You there. And this is a snake. I'm not really used to this. It's not like the wacky track, but I would probably say like 3 out of 10. These slime thingies are like a 5 out of 10 or a 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. I actually really like these. They feel so weird and stuff like that. It's just that you feel them and just squish it. I love all of my emojis, especially the cat ones and the panda one and the unicorn are my favorites. Oh, look guys. This little cat has like hair here. Cute. I have like 2 squishy stuff. But they're like mochis, but not. They're like some squishy mochis. See? I have one more. It's like a cupcake swirl. It's not a unicorn, but rise up. And these are all my Fidget cube, my Rubik's cubes. I have a lot like this. The big one is under all of those. Bye guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more videos. And wait, also I need to tell you something. This. Wait a second. Did you want? Bye. With the ree. Bye. Bye guys.